When a person lives in another state and they own land, minerals, or oil and gas in West Virginia, an ancillary estate administration will need to be completed to transfer those interests. The definition of ancillary is subordinate or supplementary. So an ancillary estate administration is done in addition to the administration that may take place in another state. A few years ago, this process had to take place in person. This could be hard for someone who lived far away, like California or Florida. So recent law changes have remedied the travel issue. You may now accomplish this process through an affidavit that details the real estate, values it, and establishes who inherits it. If there is a will filed in another state, an authenticated or exemplified copy of the will needs to be recorded along with the ancillary affidavit and a certified or original death certificate. If no will, then just the affidavit and death certificate will do. These affidavits may be obtained from the county clerk's office in the county containing the real estate or from an attorney. There are recording fees involved, so contact the county clerk for their procedure and fees. Most generally, the procedure set in code is this. The affidavit, will, and death certificate are recorded. The estate is published in the local newspaper stating the ancillary process has begun without appointments and allows 60 days for any interested person to object or require a full estate be opened and probated. If no one objects during the 60 days, the ancillary estate will move on to closure. The county clerk will enter a certificate of completion in the county records. The property is then considered transferred. This process can be done with an original will, but we caution that this will is kept by the county clerk that records it. So if something more comes up in the state of residence, the original will cannot be returned for probate in that other state. It's best, even if no estate administration is required there, to at least record the will in the other state and then get the authenticated copy to record in West Virginia. If you're fortunate enough to be a snowbird, you may be faced with this process one day. As discussed before, it all depends on where you consider your primary place of residence when you pass. Thanks for watching, and vote Shahan for County Clerk.